On Christmas Day, we didn't get an opportunity to report about this, but U.S. National Weather Service, Hastings, Nebraska, update I-80 at Yorks has reopened. Basically, there was a semi-truck pileup. Here's a picture right here from I-80 at York Northeast at 1114 a.m. Be sure to check road conditions before you travel today. So, Mutha Truckers, just look at this here. You know, if it's snowy, it's ice, it's cold, it's blizzardy, yeah, definitely just park it and wait it out. You don't want to end up in a pileup just like this. Luckily, nobody was hurt. Now, here are some folks we usually don't get a chance to thank a lot, but we really appreciate the fire department, especially Palm Beach County Fire. I live out in South Florida, so I definitely saw this news locally. But here are firefighters saving a truck driver that just almost went over the bridge on a turnpike in Palm Beach Gardens. So appreciate all the firefighters for saving this truck driver's life. This is for truck drivers doing business in California. There's over 625,000 of you that are. So the registration deadline for California Clean Truck Check gets another month. So it was due January 1st. Now you have till January 31st. So just want to give you guys an update on that. What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Welcome to Mutha Trucker News. Email us at muthatruckernews@gmail.com. So for today's podcast show, we're going to definitely talk about some road closures. There is a blizzard. You know, we're talking about Colorado, most of the highway closed, Kansas, South Dakota, Nebraska. If I missed a couple, definitely comment down below. But, you know, the question of the day for you guys is, in a situation like this, what do you guys do to stay warm? You know, there's a lot of drivers that are new. This is their first winter. How much food and clothing should you have in case of situations like this? Right now, the big one is this blizzard, right? There are so many states that have road closures. Let's go through a few of them. Comment down below if we did not talk about one of the states, but you are in a blizzard right now. And what are you doing to stay warm? Okay, so a meteorologist, Aaron White, says that still looking at a blizzard condition in western South Dakota. This is a scene on I-90 around Wall. South Dakota, further to the west, the Rapid City Airport recorded a wind gust of 68 miles per hour today. So definitely, if you are in South Dakota, check out the 511. All my truck drivers out in Nebraska, it says here, according to Nebraska Department of Transportation, do not travel. This was about an hour ago. If you're watching this, I'm making and recording this video at 7:47 Eastern Time. I-80 and Highway 30 now closed from the Wyoming state line to Lexington. Snow and high winds continue to make travel impossible in much of northeast and northeast Colorado. With much of northeast Colorado's interstates closed at I-80, Highway 30, and all connecting roads do not have safe driving conditions. So check 511 if you're in Nebraska. Now, a great chunk of Kansas is closed as well. It says here, according to the Kansas Department of Transportation, closure I-70 is closed from Goodland west to the state line, and US 36 is closed from St. Francis west to the state line due to conditions in Colorado. Not sure when the highway will open. Check www.candrive.gov for the latest information. Now, the big one that is closed today is Colorado as of Tuesday morning. Okay, check your 511 on this because this could change. But I-70 eastbound from Denver, Air Park Road to Kansas, I-70 westbound from Kansas to Deer Trail, US 6 in both directions from Sterling to Nebraska, US 24 both directions, Saybird to Kansas, US 36 in both directions from Byers to Kansas state line, US 385 in both directions from Cheyenne Wells to Nebraska state line, Colorado 59 in both directions from Haxton to Yuma, Colorado 59 in both directions from Seabird to Cope, Colorado 61 in both directions from Otis to Sterling, Colorado 63 in both directions from Akron to Anton, Colorado 71 in both directions from Lehman to Brush, Colorado 86 in both directions from Elizabeth to I-70. So if you're in Colorado, it looks like majority of it is shut down. So Mutha Truckers, stay safe if you're in Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota, and more.